I'm here walking through the wireless market here in Mandaue City. I just came from Pisa, where I have to check the parts of my car because it leaks again. At least they're open right now, and I was told that they can order it. Those are all the fresh fish for sale for the day, and during the daytime they're not here, only the ones installed. These are the Wireless Subangdako Vendors Association. So the penchant of Filipinos of going to the market, especially in the afternoon for the evening meal, is what triggers this market that you can see everywhere. Those are the vegetable vendors. And I am here beside the overpass of Wireless Mandaue City. Because I'm going to see where I can catch the jeepney or taxi going back to the place where I live in Pitos. So I'm just getting you the glimpse of this Subangdako market. Wireless Subangdako market. Napa kay mais? Kasi kuwang na to dong. So across there you got a Freestar Arcade, and that's the overpass going to the Subangdako extension to the North Bus Terminal. This is our everyday an okay shop there. Lulier, pharmacies. So they got a better pathway in here. You can see that I could walk not on the road but on the pathway. Mandaue is very strict with it then, because this part here is still part of Mandaue City. We'll just mag-snack na dong. I'll just have a snack of bread here in Tinong's bakery. Masay ba? Init mo, ma'am. Kani? Sige. Yeah, I'll have. Kani unsa ni Spanish ni ma'am? Tapila ma'am. 5 pesos for the Spanish bread. Spanish and cheese bread is the new ones. So me and Deloy were just having our snack here in Lolo Tinong's bakery. And I've just noticed that this is since 1923. And upon reading on Google, of course, this is the second oldest bakery here in Cebu. The first one is Titay's Bakery in 1907. And this is the Lolo Tinong's is the second one. That's why it claims. But it started in 1923 by Faustino Lau Villa, because he has been an apprentice on a bake shop in the city of Cebu. And he made his first crude bakery equipment like a drum for an oven and a bamboo poles as dough roller. The venture did not turn out well because the lack of financial capacity. The business was later revived by his son. So this is now the branches of Lolo Tinong's that used to be known as the Tinong's Bakery since 1923. Now you can see it's all stated there. It all started in 1923. And their slogan is once tasted, always wanted. So there's a lot of people buying their bread now for snacks, ready for dinner. Let's go dong. So continue on with the sidewalk here. That's full of everything you can see because this is like the sidewalk market of Wireless, Subang Dako, Mandaue City. Yeah, beauty parlors, tailoring shops, sari stores, barber shop, crispy chicken, of course, cafes. Here, they even got a motorcycle dealership here, Rusi Motorcycle. So this is the name of the place, Rusi Ram Cycle. Sabot-sabot lang. So this is the name of the dealership, Rusi Ram Cycle. Sabot-sabot lang. So you can just haggle, especially if you're paying cash, and they will give you rebates if you're paying early. Even the cash price, I think pwede pa mahangyo ang cash price no, o cash dong no. So if you're paying cash for the units, like they said, sabot-sabot lang, it means that you can just negotiate. So it might be cheaper as well if you pay cash.